Hello everyone, wishing you the happiest Independence Day to you all from NextMinds. This Independence Day, NextMinds brings you the gift of freedom for tutors and learners alike. Tutors, you now have the independence to choose your preferred class type, one-to-one, group or online. And the best part, you also have the freedom to select your own schedule on NextMinds, teach when it suits you. And you are also in control of your fees, set them as you see fit. Learners, your search for qualified tutors ends here. NextMind has a wide array of subjects and tutors in your region, catering to your academic needs. And that's not all. NextMinds also offers opportunity for your skill enhancement and pursuing your passion, whether it's AI for your career growth or music for your soul. You have the independence to choose your perfect tutor for you. Want to make sure it's the right fit? Take advantages of our demo lectures. So on this special day, we celebrate not just freedom, but also the freedom to learn, teach and grow. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.